The way we handled the trademark, which was very early in the piece, after we made the windfall over Christmas, we decided to reinvest back into the business. And we did, we looked at a trademark in Australia, a trademark in the US, which would not be what I'd recommend now, having gone through the process. But the US application we self-filed. We were not necessarily very informed about the process that we were doing, but we self-filed, and then it stalled. It stalled at about 3-4 months, and I thought it needed a little bit of a jostle along. So I went to Legal Hoop, which is a company that has a whole lot of services, trademark registration, and they are very automated. They have a good search function that you can check for trademarks, and they are highly automated, so you don't expect to get a lot of information from no human is going to contact you, but at each stage it seems to trigger along, and they seem to be highly automated to go to the next stage. This is if you want to do it yourself, and it's the hard way. This was before Kate Sun came into our lives, and I think the offer that Kate Sun has presented to the AOE group is fantastic, and she would be looking at the potential of covering trademarks across the US and Australia, and I would recommend having some expertise. It's very helpful to have that, but it is possible. We did secure our trademark. So, and the other thing that as part of that process, before you apply to the trademark, for a trademark, is secure all your domains. So secure the .com, .com.au. You can use a company like GoDaddy or Crazy Domains. And I always use noam.com to check social media availability. So check it out on your Facebook. If you've got a visually interesting product, I like to secure Pinterest, because Pinterest, I think, is becoming quite active for some product niches, and Instagram. So cover those bases, secure them. You don't have to get active with them, but have them secured as part of your trademark passage. Okay, but otherwise, Kate Sun is great value for us, I think, in the group, the offer that she's presented.
Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.